like this quality. Create project. Click the plus sign and add picture or video. Fill to screen. Click the plus sign again, add shape, and fill to screen. Blending and opacity, difference plus subtract. Effect plus copy background. And add Gaussian blur. Strength for 120. Effect plus add effect. Exposure gamma. Exposure of 90, gamma 1.2. Click the plus sign again, add shape, fill the screen, color and fill, click white. Blend and opacity, contrast plus overlay. See the result. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.